Hello students, so we are in chapter Geometry Construction, practice set 4.1. We have already done the first question. See, in the first question, that is a triangle ABC and triangle element. Is that any vertex is common? कोई point common है क्या? नहीं है. So we have drawn a separate triangles. But if you observe this second question, triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTR. See, this R point is common vertex. So in that condition we need to make a triangle with a common vertex R. Okay. Yes. Now see, I have drawn one small triangle here. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTR. That means we can say their sides are proportional to each other and the angles are congruent to each other. In triangle PQR, that means they have given the details information about the triangle PQR. PQ is 4.2, QR 5.4 centimeter and PR 4.8 centimeter. Construct triangle PQR and triangle LTR. We can construct triangle PQR easily because we got all the information of their sides. But we need to construct a LTR, right? And after that they said such that their ratios is 3:4 or 3/4. Now see my dear, you need to firstly observe which common vertex we can see. This R and this R. जो common vertex है, we will name it here. Okay, that you should have it here. So we have named the common vertex R here. Now which triangle information is given? Triangle PQR. This R means we can consider this as a P and this as a Q. Okay, I have taken this as a Q here. Now check PQ is how much? 4.2 centimeter. So I am writing it 4.2 centimeter and QR 5.4 centimeter and PR 4.8 centimeter. After that they said construct. Okay, now see my dear, PQ, yes, as I said we are going to make this triangle combined, यानी दोनों एक साथ ट्राइंगल बनने वाला है क्योंकि हमारा कॉमन वर्टेक्स आर होने की वजह से. तो हमारा क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है वेदर वो जो दूसरा ट्राइंगल बनने वाला है LTR वो अंदर बनेगा कि बाहर. तो ये देखने के लिए हम कहाँ देखेंगे? दिस वन. सी द ट्राइंगल PQR इज 3. उसके सामने देखो 3 है रेशियोज का एंड LTR का क्या है? 4 है. तो इससे हमें पता चलता है कौन सा ट्राइंगल बड़ा है. तो हमारा LTR ट्राइंगल बड़ा ही होगा क्योंकि LTR का जो रेशियोज हमने देखा है 4 का रेशियो है, 4x करके सम कॉमन कंस्टेंट. हियर ऑल्सो PQ का क्या है? 3 है. तो ये जो हमारा LTR का जो ट्राइंगल हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करने वाले हैं वो बड़ा होगा. तो बड़ा होगा तो ये ट्राइंगल से बड़ा. तो ऐसा जब भी बड़ा बोल देते हैं तो हम एक्सटेंड करेंगे. इधर से रफ डायग्राम में ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सटेंड दिस वन. सो बड़ा LTR जो ट्राइंगल होने वाला है दैट इज बिग. सो दैट्स अ रीजन आई हैव एक्सटेंड हियर ऑल्सो, आई हैव एक्सटेंड हियर ऑल्सो. नाउ अगेन नेमिंग इट PQR. हाउ वी हैव नेम्ड इट? PQR. So our name also come like this LC PQR. So LTR so that there won't be any mistake. Okay. क्लॉकवाइज नेम कर रहे तो हम दूसरे ट्राइंगल को भी क्लॉकवाइज. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मीन्स दिस ऑल्सो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी हैव डन, द ट्राइंगल, वन ट्राइंगल वी हैव ड्रॉन. विच ट्राइंगल इन्फॉर्मेशन? एक जो ट्राइंगल जिसका इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया वो ड्रॉ कर दिया. फिर हम देखने वाले थे कि कौन सा अंदर ड्रॉ करना है कि बाहर. अंदर या बाहर ये जो रेशियो से होता है. अभी इनकेस ये यहाँ पे 3 और यहाँ 2 दिया रहता है तो वो छोटा है तो ऐसा अंदर आता था. So this is the difference here. So we have done with this one. Now with the help of the ratios, this one we can find it or we can do without finding also directly. I'll tell you how to do it directly, that also I'm helping out. Okay, so firstly PR 4.8 centimeter हम यहाँ draw करेंगे. Then 5.4 centimeter और 4.2 centimeter से हम वो measures कर लेंगे. Okay, so firstly I'm drawing a 4 here 4.8 centimeter. Okay, 4.8 centimeter from here to here. Okay, then I have done here 4.8 centimeter. Then I'll take a 4.2 centimeter. ये जो PQR triangle first बना रही हूँ मैं. So I made a triangle PQR. Okay, this triangle P, this is Q, and this is R here with common vertex. So I can put the length here 4.8 centimeter. Always fill it up with the proper details. 5.4 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter. Okay, we have done with the one triangle. Now further we need to do for the LTR. So what I need to do is, for that, you can see how much is the ratio is been here. Okay, the ratio is 3:4. So we have to see which one is before that we need to make an angle here. Okay, I am making an angle. So after making a triangle, what we are going to do, we are going to make an angle here from the common vertex. Okay, so I am making it. Could be any angle. You can roughly draw it like this. Now after that, we are again going to see the ratios here 3:4. Whichever is the biggest one, that is a 4. 4:5, then 5. Which is the biggest one, that is that much arcs we are going to cut into equal parts. So we consider this is the biggest one, so 4. So I am going to make an 4 equal arcs here. Okay. So you can have the radius anything, like, see, you can have it very small or a big, it's up to you. Okay, I am taking in this way, so it's a 4 equal parts. 1. Okay, after that, from keeping this point, from this point, again 2, then 3, just 1 minute. Okay, then from there here 4. Okay, so 4 equal parts I have made it here. Now what we are going to do, the triangle which we have made is PQR triangle. Now PQ के क्या है सामने 3 है, तो PQR triangle जो है उसके सामने 3 है, तो where is our third arc? 3, 1, 2, 3, उसके यहाँ join करने का है. I repeat here, we are seeing the corresponding ratios. कौन सा triangle है उसके सामने क्या ratios है 3. So point, that is a R1, we consider this as a R1, this is R2, and this is R3, and this is our R4. Then from we are going to join this PR3. Okay, so I am joining it. See, always after making an arcs, you make an intersection point here so that your answer will be perfect here. Okay, so I am joining it. So I joined it. So now the triangle PQR is prepared, but we need to prepare for the LTR. As I said, we need to extend from both the ends here. So I'm going to extend it. Okay, from here, I need to extend roughly with the scale here. I'll take another small scale. So I extended from here also and from there also. I need, see, I have to keep it from the beginning. See, I see यहाँ से मत करो, it won't be perfect. So do it like this from the beginning. So our extension will be perfect. Okay, I have done now. So I put it a arrow for the time being here. So we have done. Now what we are going to do, we need to find out the point T here also. Okay, so what before that, what I need to do, I have to see, this is the, we have learnt in the angles in the same, how to make a congruent angle. The same concept is going to be applied here. Congruent angle जो सीखा था उसी के जैसा है. तो क्या करने का, point third में R3 में रखने का है, and we are going to make an arcs like this. See how the arc should be made like this. Understood? ये कौन सा भी रेडियस रख के यहाँ पॉइंट R3 में रख के यहाँ का करेंगे, ताकि ये दोनों इसमें टच होना चाहिए. ऐसा टच हुआ है इधर से इधर, यस. फिर उसके बाद उसी को पकड़ के वैसे ही पकड़ के R4 में रख के करेंगे. क्यों हम कर रहे हैं, वी नीड टू हैव द पैरेलल लाइन्स. सो अगेन आई एम डूइंग द सेम थिंग हियर. I am doing it. Okay, I have done. Now what we have to do, how much is the length we have to see here. देखो यहाँ रखा मेरा steel point इधर रखने के बाद after that I am searching for the intersection point of this line here. See, I have searched here, it's exactly then the same measure holder length, then ये ही यहाँ से ही रख के इसको पहचाना, वैसे ही इसका आर्क में इधर रख के इसको भी मैं आर्क बना रही हूँ. मिला? Then now what is this? Here from this point and this point we are now going to join it in this line here. Okay, so I'm going to join it. How I'm joining it? See, this point, this intersection point, and it will touch here exactly. So I'm doing it. See, now I got it. I got exactly a parallel line. Can you see? Yes. Okay, now similarly we are going to do above also. Same which the rule followed here. How I'll do? I'll take it like this from this part. Okay, any radius, you can, it be small or big, it's up to you. From here I'm holding, keeping it on the center P, and then done. Same thing, you are holding it, same radius, then you are going to keep it here. This is our point, what my dear? L. Can you see? This is our point L which we have got it. So from here you can have it like this. It should not touch P. Touch करे या ना करे, no problem. उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है हमें. Then from here यहाँ रख के इसको हम extend करके इधर तक touch करना है. ये जो arc है ना, इधर touch करने का जैसा. आप arc भी बना रहे तो बना लो, अच्छी बात है फिर. Okay, I have done make an arc. Similarly अभी यहाँ से ये arc के ऊपर, this is not the point P, लेकिन ये arc जो draw किया है उसके ऊपर रख के. Okay, फिर आपको एक arc इधर बनना. फिर now we got a intersection point here, which and which? This point and this point. Now we are going to join it, this one. Okay, we are joining this one. So can you see here? We got our point here. Now how to name it? L, T, R. So similarly here our name L, and this is our T here, and this is our R here. So we got our required triangle. This is the required, which is the required triangle? They said construct triangle PQR and LTR. So we got our PQR also and LTR also. Okay, so we will write it, the triangle PQR and L triangle LTR are the required triangles. I hope this is very clear. This is for a 3 or a 4 mark sums. Watch the video again and again so that it will be more clear for you. Thank you, dear.